Has your child ever wondered how blood is drawn, how to set up and start an IV line, how veins are identified, how to map the valves in the veins, how to prepare to give an injection, or how to apply a tourniquet? If any of those things interest your child, then this course is for them. I think that hands-on learning is the best kind of learning. Oftentimes, your child doesn't know if they would be good or passionate about a subject unless they try it. Reading about a subject is one thing, but actually doing it is a whole different thing. I love anatomy and dissecting animals, but I could never be a nurse. Dealing with living people who would rely on me scares me. Drawing blood is something I would not want to do. But I think these type of courses help someone like me really appreciate those in the medical profession. This course is so amazing because it's hands-on and easy.